Welcome to Ev's Shed. I'm going to set up an outdoor shower. So I've got this shower unit. It's a dual shower unit with a head and a hand shower. Plumber's come in, set up all the water for me. I've completed this nice timber looking feature, and the shower's going to be set up here. So let's set up the outdoor shower. First thing we need to do is set up this adapter that fits onto the shower head outlet. As you can see, the shower head outlet is a little bit longer, and this has to fit snug against the board. So I'm going to have to cut this to length, probably cut out 15 mil off this, put some Teflon tape on there and thread it on. Once you've cut your water outlet to length, make sure you flush it out to get rid of any pieces of metal filings in there. Last thing you want to do is leave all the metal filings in there, then attach it, and they'll clog up your shower head. So an easy way to do it is get a bucket. Let's see what happens. And just slowly turn on the water. Magic. Now let's secure the adapter on there with a bit of plumber's tape. So this is different, but it's like a Teflon tape. So wind it on, but wind it on clockwise and start from the front. So that way when you do wind this on, it will go with the thread and it won't unwind it. So wind it clockwise with the thread. I'm winding it on, put it on there. And now we wind that on clockwise. Oh, it's perfect, nice and tight. Okay, so that's on. We use a spanner to tighten it from this side. The next step is to mark where we put the securing clip for the bottom part of the rail. So attach it to the top connector, push it in, okay, get a level to make sure it is level against the rail. Okay, that's perfect there. Then mark where the center part is and also the center for there. And then we can attach the clip. So if you look closely here, where I've marked the center of the top and the center of both sides, I've just run a line between the two, made a crosshair, and that's where my screw's going to go for the adapter. You can see that will sit right there. So I'm going to pre-drill it, make a little pilot hole in there, and then put my screw in there. Screw this in. Get my height right. Should be it. It's nice and secure, and that should slide straight in. Now the test is it level? Let's see. And it's right on the money. You put in, there's a chrome finish and a dull finish. Chrome finish, sit like so. And then we've got the same one for the bottom, which is a rectangular one. Chrome finish, dull finish. Chrome goes over like so. Now we at the top end, and with the bottom bracket, That's in nice and tight. It's perfect. Make it nice and level. Now the next part is there's a couple of Allen grub screws. There's an Allen key as well. There's 2 up the top and then 2 down the bottom. So just tighten those up and that will secure it. We've tightened all the grub screws up. It's nice and secure. Now it's time to add the riser shower head. As before, there's a couple of grub screws there. Make sure you loosen those up. And this should just slide in the top. Like so. Clicks in. We use our old Allen key that's supplied with the unit and secure the grub screws in place. So, righty tighty, lefty loosey. The shower head attachment is pretty easy. It's just screws straight on. There's a rubber. There is a rubber in there. Make sure it's in there. And you'll feel it tighten up. Once it tightens up, just give it a bit of a turn. It's not going to leak. And there's your shower head. So the last bit is to connect the hose to the hand shower part. So there's 2 rubber O-rings. Make sure they're fitted securely under there. Now there's 2 different type ends. One, the longer piece will go into the handheld unit. So make sure that the rubber is in there. Secure it in nice and tight, hand tight. The reason is because then that will sit nicely in the holder. And now we secure the hose to the bottom. Now there's a bit of a trick, so if you don't want the hose to kink, hold it with a bit of pressure so it doesn't twist when you tighten it up, and it gives it a nice even curl. This also sit like that. So we finally installed an outdoor shower. Let's see if it works. Should come out from the top first. Perfect. Now the diverter, come out from the hand unit. Magic. It's perfect. Well, thank you for watching Ev's Shed. Catch you later.
If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit the like button and also subscribe to Ev's Shed.